Milolanuna.
Not quite right
Is that
yet.
correct?
Let's give it another try.
Are you serious? Hi! In this episode, we figure out what augmented reality really is. So stick around because we have a list of apps to tell you what AR can do. This app is called SketchAR. So this can be for anybody, especially for people who are not so talented and artists like myself. If you just tap into the SketchAR app, it's cool. They have, for beginners, let's say cats, birds, portraits. For beginners, I'm gonna start with drawing this cute little kitty cat right here. So I just need to scan the whole piece of paper, and then it says next step. Right, so then you can see that there's this imprint of a cute little kitty cat which I should just simply trace. So I'm gonna start in that eyebrow, fill in the ears. Oh wow, actually once you get the hang of it, right, it's really not too difficult. Okay, I guess I'm done. Actually, it's very step by step. When you click next step, it tells you what to draw first, how you should. I mean, the basic shapes you should do to create the body, the legs, the ears, that kind of thing. And let's check out my finished product to see if this AR app really works. Wow. Okay, I mean, not bad, right? Like, I just probably need to fill out the eyes. I would say relatively easy. I would recommend this, it's not bad. And the next app we have is Quiver. I would say it's a very useful app for families. First of all, there's this icon here that says print, which I already did before the show. So all these are the materials that you can print. Okay, so I got my crayons, of course, very importantly. Okay, the cool thing is, even if you don't color, it still comes alive. But of course, just for the fun of it, I'm gonna color anyway. Okay, wow, this really brings me back to my primary school days. Coloring is not the best way to de-stress, I think. And here is where the magic starts, okay? So, wow, you see? My bumblebee comes alive and it's exactly how I drew him. Wow, you see? He's like in my hand right now. That is the max interaction you can get. But wow! Okay, so you see, tap the screen to jump over obstacles and escape before time runs out. You can even start playing a game. So I think this will keep your children or yourself very occupied. And I think the cool part is, what? Whoa, okay, I'm actually playing the game right now. Wow, okay, sweet. So for the parents out there, instead of just giving your kid the iPad or the phone to just play with, why not download this AR app, let them discover the beauty of technology, and at the same time also expose them to something that is physical. They can train their drawing skills, they can see it come alive, and they can have so much more fun than just watching, let's say, a YouTube video or something even educational. I think this is really educational and you should really try it. So I'm receiving a call. Let me just pick it up, see what it is. That's it. Alright, it's connecting. Alright, hi Zach. We are live.
I got a problem.
Okay, what's the problem, man?
My PC doesn't work.
Okay, can you show me what's going on? Okay. Right, okay, so we have the graphics card. Oh, dude, it's not even plugged in, man. That's why it doesn't work. Okay, it's not plugged in. Can you just plug it in right here? Okay, let me see. Whoa! Dude, see, look, I can circle it on the screen. Can you see my circle right there?
Yeah.
Okay, just, wow, you see it stays there. It doesn't just vanish. So, yeah, just plug it into the, yeah, exactly, right here. Yes, right over here. Yeah, plug it in and see if it works. Exactly. Whoa, it works now.
Lock that up. Yes.
Well done, Zach. Let me give you like 100 points for that. And in different shades. Okay, so whatever Zach just drew will be in green and whatever I draw will be on yellow. It's a great... You are most welcome, dude. Wow, great stuff. Alright, bye. So another great app for things you can do for fun. It can also be for tutorials. And this is very true to life because you can video call and you can literally draw on it. So Chalk is one app that you should download and try to experience AR for what it really is. Next app. Here we are in the big area, and I will show you what I need this space for, and that is in the form of learning a language via the Mondly app. So very simply, I'll go and open the app, and then it brings me to this sort of a map. So there's augmented reality, as you can see right here, so I'm just going to tap it, and I'm going to place her right down, and she magically appears.
Welcome to the Mondly AR experience. I'll show you the king of the jungle.
So she shows me the king of the jungle, right? How?
This is a lion.
Dude, she just made a lion appear, and that's
In
what you can do
Spanish,
with
to say
AR.
a lion, you say
Un león.
a lion.
Is how you say a lion in Spanish. Okay, let's say I go closer, and oh wow, you see?
Oreja.
Okay, so it tells you that a ear is called ueha.
Pata.
Pata. Pata's leg.
Ojo.
Eyes. Ojo.
Hocico.
Hocico is the nose.
In Spanish, the solar system is.
El sistema solar.
Now, please repeat after me.
El sistema solar.
Okay, so now I have to say it. Watch my language skills. El sistema solar.
That's correct. You are good at this.
100
Did you
points.
know that our solar system is 4.6 billion years old? This is the sun. If you want to say the sun,
We have
you
a huge
say
symbol.
El sol.
El sol.
this is going great.
La luna.
If you want to say, I look at the moon.
I just got an eclipse. What?
Miro
I
la
can just
luna.
tap and like create an
Now,
eclipse.
could you repeat after
Oh, it's
me?
quite cool. Everything is so interactive and it makes me want to learn more. It's a very systematic way of learning, and it adds to the fun because your teacher is true to life and she can do so many things, and you can zoom into so many things and learn so many things. Ultimately, this app is really cool for if you want to learn language in a more non-conventional way. If you're bored at home and you need some sort of entertainment, how about going to the museum right in your room? So BBC has developed this app called Civilisations AR, in which you can bring artifacts right into your room and you can view them and you can learn more in the process. So right now I have a huge globe right in front of me. So the first thing I can learn about, there are 41 artifacts in this app. The first one is a Corinthian helmet. Let me just tap on that. And it will initialize. Whoa! And I have... So you can scale it to however huge the size you want. Okay, but I'm just gonna make it big, gigantic. And I can read more about it. It tells you more about, the Corinthian artifact. It was an ancient Greece soldier's helmet discovered on the shore of the Aegean Sea, something like that. Wow! Oh, and I can really scale it. I can turn it around, it rotates. Wow, it's complete with the cracks in the artifacts as it was discovered. I think this is really cool. Wow, okay. I mean, I wouldn't spoil the fun for you. There are still 37 other artifacts that you can discover once you download this app, so I will leave all that fun to you. On to my next app. If you are a new homeowner or you're just simply looking to refurbish your room, this app is for you. So Ikea designed this Ikea Place app, and it helps you imagine what it will be like when you buy their furniture and you place it in your home. Other than the Ikea Place app, I'm also going to use the Dulux Visualizer to firstly paint my room. So firstly, I will go into Visualizer. Okay, so behind me I have a very plain room with a single colored wall, and right now I'm just gonna choose the color of my wall. So let's say I want it to be yellow. Okay, I choose my yellow, and wow! Straight away it has this funky vibe to the room. Well, as for if it really fits, I'm not too sure. Let me just try another color, maybe something darker. Okay, something like that. Okay, that looks homely. So then I can go over to Dulux and buy this exact paint. Very helpful. Alright, then next I will show you the Ikea app. So into Ikea Place. So in this corner of my room, I'm looking to put a single-seater armchair. Alright, so I'll just go to the plus button, it shows me categories, and then I can search very immediately for sofas and armchairs. And a whole catalog pops up, complete with price, color, everything you have. Okay, I'm gonna find a single seater that hopefully, okay, let's say I go for an egg top. Try it in your place. Okay, so first let's scan the room, aim the camera at the floor. Tap for help. So I'm aiming it at the floor, right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna confirm the area, and a sofa pops up. Not bad, it actually looks really real. Wow. Okay, so I can turn it around, I can move it around, I can put it in the area, and I can rotate it as well. So I'm just gonna pop it right there. I can even go closer and examine the couch to see if the space that the couch takes up in my home is adequate or not. It's about basically true to life size. I can look at the upholstery, the seams, the piping of this sofa. I can even go behind and inspect. Wow, okay, that's quite cool. It really leaves nothing to the imagination because it is right where it is. Actual life size. I would say it's pretty true to life as well. Very cool. So if you are looking to add furniture to your room and visualize how it will look, this app you should download. With AR, the possibilities are endless, but my video has to come to an end. So that is all the tips I have for you. If you like what you see, do remember to like, share and subscribe, and let us know in the comment section below what you want to see more of. Till next time, try AR.